Every morning, Mr. Arjun drove the city bus. He woke up early, washed his face, put on his uniform, and left home before sunrise. His job was not easy. He drove for many hours, stopped at many places, and met many different people. But he always did one thing every single day. He smiled. When people got on the bus, he said, "Good morning." When they got off, he said, "Have a nice day." Some people smiled back, some people did not. But he still kept smiling. One cold morning, a woman entered the bus. She looked sad. Her eyes were red, and she walked slowly. When she saw the driver, he gave her his usual warm smile and said, "Good morning, ma'am." She nodded quietly and sat near the front. The next day, the same woman got on the bus again. Again, Arjun smiled and greeted her. This time she looked at him for a moment and then smiled back. A small smile, but a real one. On the third day, she walked up to him before sitting down. She said softly, "Sir, I want to tell you something." Arjun looked surprised. "Yes, ma'am," she said. "Your smile, it makes my mornings better. I was going through a very difficult time. But when you smile at me, I feel a little lighter. Thank you." Arjun felt his heart warm. He never knew his simple act made such a big difference. That day, he understood something important. A small smile can change someone's day, maybe even someone's life. After that, Arjun continued smiling, not out of habit, but with real happiness.